Android and Windows generally don't play very well, but Samsung has been trying to fix that. This is the new Galaxy Book2 360 that launched recently in India, and this brings some cool features, good specs, but it also shows us Samsung's ecosystem features in action. So yeah, let's get into it. So the looks. This laptop speaks class from all the angles. It's got a metal build which looks quite minimal and nice. I also like that this aluminium finish is not a big fingerprint magnet and it has this soft touch feel which makes this whole design stand out. One thing that surprised me though is how sleek and light this is. It is 12.9mm thick and weighs only 1.19 kgs. I was comparing it with the MacBook Air and turns out the Galaxy Book2 360 is slimmer and lighter. Plus, this is a 2-in-1 laptop and the hinge feels solid so far, which is very important because you're going to use it in tablet mode, tent mode, and even in this stand mode. I've been using this laptop in tablet mode a lot and the hinge seems reliable. In fact, the lid here can be lifted with one hand, which is impressive because generally light laptops, 2-in-1 laptops can't really do this. This design is also mostly solid, but I did notice a very minor flex on the keyboard. It's not a big deal, but yeah. Other than that, this feels like a very well-built laptop. It has the MIL STD 810G certification for military-grade durability. The port selection is good too. There's a microSD slot on the left along with the mic headphone jack and a USB-A port. On the right, there is an HDMI port, a USB-C port and a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port. So it's not only thinner than the MacBook Air, it also has more ports than the MacBook Air. Yeah, courage. There's also a fingerprint scanner in the power button which is fast and nice. The speakers are on the bottom and there's two of them. And as for the quality, they're kind of okay. The clarity is good, but the loudness could have been better. Moving on to the display, here are the specs. Now in a 2-in-1, the screen matters a lot and this is a Super AMOLED panel and it looks like a Super AMOLED panel. The first time I saw the screen, it just reminded me of the AMOLED displays on Samsung phones. It's just a premium AMOLED display with very good colors, great blacks, and a lot of us use 2-in-1 laptops for multimedia and this display makes sense for that. Another good thing is that this is a very responsive touchscreen, so I actually liked using this in tablet mode. There's also S Pen support and Samsung is selling that separately, but I did try the S22 Ultra's S Pen on this and it's a good experience, but the palm rejection could have been better. Now one quirk about this display is that it's a fairly reflective screen. The brightness is good, but you can see the reflections on it. Let's talk about the specs now. The Galaxy Book2 360 is an Intel Evo certified laptop and it comes with the latest 12th gen Intel chipsets. The variant we have has the 10nm Core i7-1255U CPU with 10 cores, 12 threads, Iris Xe graphics, 15W TDP, and there's 512GB of Gen 3 PCI SSD and 16GB LPDDR4X RAM. If you're wondering about DDR5 RAM, that's only present in the Pro variants. Anyway, I did run some benchmarks on the laptop to give you an idea. So here's the Geekbench score, this is the PC Mark score, and here's the Budget Bench Photoshop score. And lastly, this is the Crystal Disk Mark score. Benchmarks apart, the performance of the laptop seems fast and snappy. I was able to get through 10 tabs on Edge with 8K video playing smoothly and there were no hiccups. Honestly, I've only used this laptop for a day, so it's too early to judge for me, but the laptop, be it in the usual laptop mode or in the tablet mode, feels smooth. The laptop comes with Windows 11 on board with Microsoft Office bundled with it, but what's really cool are the ecosystem features. The laptop actually comes with this Galaxy Book Experience app that shows you all the cool connected features between the Galaxy Book 2, a Galaxy phone, and a Galaxy tablet, and even Galaxy earbuds. First of all, there's second screen which lets you use a Galaxy tab as a secondary screen along with the Galaxy Book 2. There's also multi-control, which is a lot like Apple's universal control and it lets you use the laptop's keyboard and mouse on the tablet seamlessly, but it only works with tablets that have the One UI 4.1 update, so we could not really try that. Plus, there are all the features like Quick Share to share files between Samsung devices wirelessly, and it automatically converts files in case the other device does not support that file format. There's also Private Share to send private files that nobody can share or take a screenshot of, Smart Switch to move files from your old laptop to this, one-click pairing with the Galaxy Buds, and there's also the link to Windows with all the cool features like clipboard sharing, notification mirror, the option to use Android apps on the laptop. So the Galaxy Book2 360 is feature-packed when it comes to ecosystem features, and if you have a Samsung phone, Samsung tablet, Samsung earphones, the experience is going to be amazing for you. As for the other basics of the laptop, the touchpad and the keyboard are some of the best I've used on a Windows laptop. This is the trackpad and it's very smooth and responsive. The keyboard is very good too. It is a standard backlit chiclet style keyboard, but I like how the keys are well spaced out, and even though the key travel is not a lot, it's okay because the keys are super crisp, the tactile feedback is good, and it just feels very clicky. I did feel the keys are a bit too flat because I'm used to the curvy keys on the MacBook, but overall this just feels like a keyboard that will be fun to type on. The battery is a 61 watt-hour battery, and I haven't had the time to test out the battery, but Samsung rates it for 22 hours of video playback. The charger is a 65 watt USB-C charger that looks pretty nice, and since it is a PD charger, you can fast charge your other devices too. The 720p webcam is on the top, and the webcam is nothing special, but Samsung has these cool features to blur the background, smoothen the face. There's also this auto framing feature which zooms in on your face and makes sure to track your face to keep it in the center. Coming to the pricing, the Galaxy Book2 360's Core i5 variant costs Rs 99,990, and the Core i7 variant we have costs Rs 1,05,990, plus there are all these launch offers. So this is a premium high-end laptop from Samsung, and I quite like it. I mean, I'm yet to test things out extensively and compare it with other laptops in this price range, but there are many things I like about this. The design looks very understated and premium. I love how lightweight and sleek this laptop is. The Super AMOLED display is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the cool ecosystem features that Samsung is bringing. I also like that the keyboard, trackpad, and the port selection are on point. So yeah, this seems pretty cool so far, but I want to know your opinion on this laptop. Do you think the Galaxy Book2 360 makes sense at 1 lakh rupees? Comment down your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, give this video a like. I know you want to hit like right now. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Each one of these have a spy cam in them. Yeah, all of these. I will show you the smallest and the most dangerous one.